Trading the foreign exchange market carries high risk and may not be suitable for all investors. Trading on margin, utilizing leverage can carry an even higher level of risk that can lead to a complete loss of investment funds. So before deciding to trade the foreign exchange market or using any of our software alert products, you should carefully and diligently consider your personal investment objectives, level of experience, and risk tolerance. There is a possibility that you could potentially sustain significant loss. You should not invest any capital or trade that you cannot afford to lose. It is your responsibility to be aware of and understand all risks associated with foreign exchange trading and to seek professional advice from an independent certified financial advisor if you have any doubts. Auvoria Prime does not exercise trading authority over your trades. You and you alone exercise discretionary trading authority over every trade.
So looking at the dashboard here, we can see here that of the 6 pound pairs, 3 are trending down, 3 are trending up. Of the euros, 2 are trending down, 2 are trending up. Got a little mixed bag here, all right, a little mixed bag. G-odd is already over 50% of the way of its ADR. EUR, AUD, same thing. See, G-odd, Euro-odd means AUD pairs was moving during Asia session. Gold, all the indices and the USD Mexican peso are all down. I'm sorry, all have huge spreads here, but are mainly up for the day. The pound is down, but everything else is up. So let's take a look at the individual charts. GU trying to push up a little bit. We're in an uptrend. All right, we're in the uptrend. GI trying to push down. GN trying to push down. All right. GCAD was trying to push down, trying to push up now. I've got GJ marked here for Asia breakout because of this M here. We got an M. All right, I got an A. I'm expecting another A right here. I'm expecting this to be another A for the market maker cycle. An A and close below here. So we can go and take this down. That's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for that. All right. GN pushing down. GCAD trying to push up, but it was pushing down. G Chef stuck in his zone, but trying to push up. EG was trying to push up, coming on back down. Keep an eye on that. Euro pushing down. EJ it's moving sideways. Euro NZD trying to push down. Got all right. Gold. All right, like gold trying to make a bounce off the 200 moving average here. We'll see. AIRO moving average above the 200. Good sign. SPX 500 sitting in the zone. The German 30 chilling. UK 100 chilling. Japan 225 in a downtrend. All right, chilling. And the peso chilling. Now, let's see here. Let's go add in some cryptos. Pull some up. Bitcoin. Nice big W. Nice big W there. Leaning up too. Leaning up. Leaning up. GU for the buy. GU for the buy. Got a bag entry on GU. Bag entry on GU. Broke a wedge there. MAAW. Yeah, buddy. I think I like this one here. I think I like GU for the bag entry. I do. All right, I've already looked at the news. We're pretty clear tonight. Pretty clear. Looks good on the higher time frame. Let me go check something real quick. We'll take a look at the E at the bot. So the market maker trend is a sell currently right now, though. All right, guys. I am in GU on the bag entry for a bizai. I'm in for a bizai on GU based on the bag entry here. We are in a uptrend. Got a bag entry. I'm in. Man, for 20. The 20 twin. 20 pips, right up to the 200 moving average. Stop loss right underneath the zone. Actually, 40 pips is in the zone. All right, we in that. We in there. We in there. That's what I was gonna do. Let me add some more. Let me add some more cryptos. I know you guys like to trade these cryptos. So we got Bitcoin up. Let's go in here and add Doge. All right, bet. BTC took a bloodbath. Let's come in here. Let's pull up Ripple. Ripple took a bloodbath. Look at that. Wait, straight down. M off the 200, slanted. Oh, man. Might be time to get in Doge here in a second. We might have to get in Doge. Did it close? Let me look at BTC. What are we looking with BTC? BTC. It's doing the same thing. Let's pull up some Ripple. Ripple. Cryptos, Ripple. Man, Ripple and Doge look. Oh, no wonder it's the same chart. Ripple, let's go pull up Doge. My crypto experts, I see a slanted M downtrend M formation. We got the close below. I'm thinking about a sell. What say ye? You guys know I ain't been on this crypto lately. And I'm looking at taking it down to a certain particular area that I like. Order block right here. An order block right here, which would be about 498 pips on Ripple. What say you guys? What say ye? What say ye? I don't like Bitcoin though. And Bitcoin's a leader. I don't like the way it's set up. AIRO moving average is above the 200. Ripple looking nice. AIRO moving average on top. 200 on top. AIRO moving average on bottom. Close below both. Perfect setup. Doge has a zone right there, but it's good. 200 on top. AIRO on the moving average on the bottom. Break that zone. It's good to fall. All right. What say you guys? GU, they were down about 3 pips right now in GU. What say you guys on that Ripple? Ripple sell down to the $1.07, the 107 range. The 107 range. 107 range. We're at 113 right now. What say you guys? My crypto guys. Oh, snaps. Hey, everybody stop what you're doing. Drop CTG in the chat. Calvin the GOAT has joined the call. Calvin, my brother, what's up, man?
Everything's good, man. You funny. I'm on.
Trey, Nate, what was that? MMEA? Yeah, that's what it was. Yep, that's exactly what it was. News, let's go ahead and check that out. News, let's check that out real quick. Oops. Down 5 pips on GU. Come on, GU. Go to TP quickly. We need a fast TP tonight. We got up-tempo music. Now we need up-tempo trades. All right, Forex Factory. On my office book, we didn't have much of nothing tonight. We didn't have much of nothing. So you can see here it's 2:24 a.m. for Forex Factory. And at 4 a.m. we got some yellow folder, euro and pound news. So we're clear. All we have nothing is green folder news on my FX book. So pretty clear night. Those are the nights I like. I like clear nights. Allows us to just worry about trading. All right. Let's go back and check. We got a notification. Got a notification for SPX 500 for the sale. SPX 500 for the sale. It's in the zone last time I remember. Yep. Sale's good though. It's an overall downtrend, but it's in the zone. Down 2 pips on GU. GU down 2 pips. All right. If you look left, you can see where we're stalling a little bit. Got this little area right here. But yeah, we'll push through that. Go get our TP here. All right. Bitcoin trying to bounce. Ripple trying to bounce. I always use Bitcoin as a correlation when I trade any cryptos. Back when we did trade cryptos on this call, we haven't traded them in a while, but I figured I'd join the fun. Calvin, man, we talked about it, man. I don't know if you heard. Tomorrow, man, is a giveaway, the $2,500 giveaway.
Yeah, I did.
Cool. We already got 2 already picked. Might get 1 or 2 more tonight. And then tomorrow, man, it's up to you. Everybody wants to know what the criteria is. So I don't know what you think, man.
Give me some time to be a little creative about it, just to make it a little bit interesting.
It's all good.
A little interesting.
We did not enter a sale on Ripple. We're not in. G Chef about to break 80 session. Let's go take a look at these 80 sessions. Let's go back and look strategy 3. Somebody said GA with a W formation. I think that's Peel. GU, we're up 1 pip, 2 pips. GA. Yeah, we do got a nice little W. For me, it's bad W though. It's leaning down. I want to see W's leaning up. GN bouncing off the 200. GCAD it's coming up. Need more of a push. G Chef definitely about to close over 80 session, but you see it's too close to the zone. Euro GBP. Let's go back. GU. GU. You know what? We entered in on that bag entry on GU. We also entered in on what? Strategy number 3. It broke 80 session as well. So multiple confirmations here, guys. Multiple confirmations. So we entered in on as this candle closed. This candle closed above 80 session. It was also bag entry, and this candle broke out of the wedge. That's 3 different strategies that confirm price has a high probability of what? Going up. Going up. Strategy number 1, bag entry. Strategy number 3, 80 session breakout. Strategy number 7, the wedge. These are the 3 strategies I tell you guys, master, and you will find plenty of entries in the market. 1, 3, and 7. All right. We're using, right now we're trading all 3 of them at this point. 1, 3, and 7. This entry is a combination of all 3. The more confirmations you have, the higher probability you have of price going in your direction. I love it. Up 2 pips, up 3 pips. We're going to watch it. Just need these other G pairs to start moving up. Need to move up. EJ for the buy. Let's go look at EJ. Oh, it's in the zone. It's in an uptrend though. But it's in, right out of zone. No go. G Chef pushing. It broke above 80 session. All right, that's good. Seeing good signs from a correlation standpoint. Up 4 pips on GU. Gold playing around with us. Hopefully it's not a slow night tonight. I hope it is not a slow night tonight. All right. Let's take a look here. We any trades yet? No. Made some tweaks to the market maker EA. So I started new accounts again. Kind of give you guys an update. Both accounts were running over 7% profit in less than 2 weeks. So not bad. Should have been more on one account. So again, had to make a couple little tweaks to make sure that things are working exactly the way I want it to work. So making progress. I won't speak too much on it. Up 4 pips on GU. All right. All right. 230 on the call. We got 228 on the call. Let's take a look at the Q&A. you're brand new, make sure that you're asking your questions in the Q&A, and then in the chat, just regular chat, you know, comments. You want me to take a look at a pair, yada, yada, yada. All right. All right, guys, people asking for the link to the AIRO bag chat. Whoever signed you up, please go speak with them. They can give you the link. We don't give it out on this call anymore. We used to do that, and you know, we used to have intruders, or we had intruders come and jump in and join it, you know, and join the group. Had no business being in there. All right. We're up 6 pips on GU right now. Up 6 pips. Up 6 pips. All right. Liquidity, yes. So last night the question was asked around I forgot the question, but the reason why Sherry was able to join in on the $250 giveaway was because of an answer she asked, which was around liquidity. All right, liquidity. Plus 7 pips on GU. All right, guys. Again, if your name is anonymous in the Q&A, you don't get any responses. Do not do any anonymous. All right, do not do any anonymous. We are plus 9. You know what? Let me just show it. All right, let me just go ahead and show it. All right, we are plus 8 pips now. We were plus 9 pips on GU. Looking good. Almost halfway to our TP. You guys know me. When I hit 15 pips, I'm putting my stop loss into profito. Into profito. Profit. All right. So right now, when I set my entry here, I'm going to take profit up here at 20 pips. My stop loss down here at 40 pips. When I see 50 plus 15, I'm going to take my stop loss and I'm going to put it into 3 pips profit. That way, it's a free trade. It's a guaranteed win. So if price comes all the way back down, it takes us out at what? 3 pips in profit. All right. In profit, meaning that we'll be in profit. It'll take us out whatever my lot size is times 3 pips. All right. Instead of me losing and going all the way back the other way. All right. Let's survey the land real quick. G pairs. They're trying to push down. Trying to push down. Okay. G chef, G cat. We were just up 10. GJ trying to push back up. We're gonna let it ride. We're gonna let it ride. I might secure the bag at 10 pips though. I might secure the bag at 10 pips. All right. Reason being, you can see the G pair is moving where? The opposite direction. All right. Doesn't always mean it's going to do that, but you know, you can see GUs now drop. We were up 10, now we're up 6 pips. You can see the G pair is moving the opposite direction. Let me see some. Let me see some. Let me see something. Guys, I think I'm about to close out. Actually, yeah, I'm about to close out. I'm gonna explain why I'm closing out. We closing out early though. We closing out early. All right, took my 5 pips and I'm out. Now, here's why I'm out. So we talked about it with gold, and again, it may go up. I think we're not going to go up though. But we talked about it yesterday with gold. Whenever you see random spikes, that is the market makers moving price to go get orders. All right. So as you can see here, look at this very long random spike right here. All right. Now, all right, we're trending down, right? We're trending down. All right. You can see that it's respecting that trend line. That's why it hadn't broke. It didn't break that trend line. All right. Another good reason to get out. All right. Now, this zone right here is created by the wick here. All right. Now, what this means is as the market was trending down, all right, market makers went down here and picked up orders. All right. Went down here and picked up orders, which means that people had pending buy orders, stop losses, things were in this area. They had a random spike, came down here and got it. They went back up, fooling people into thinking that the market is trending up. People started buying, they dipped back low, they dropped. All right, but remember, they're buying here. They're not going to lose. So guess what? The market has to do what? Come back to that area where those orders were at, because they put orders there themselves to push the market back up to fool people or to get retail traders to put more money in, all right, so that they can do what? So as retail traders, us, put more money in for the buys, they then start selling or continue to sell in a downtrend. So I'm expecting this to happen. I'm expecting something like this to happen, all right, and the continuation of the trend on the downside. That's what I'm expecting. I got out because of where price went to on that wick, all right. We'll see how it plays out. We'll see how it plays out. Either way, I'm out. I'm out at the moment. All right. So we'll see what else we can find here. Also, I'm out from a standpoint of correlation. You can see pound pair starting to turn around. G Chef dropping. G Cat hit that 200 heading down. You can already see it. The arrow moving average has already crossed over to 200. All right. GN pushing down. It was pushing up, then it turned around. GI, it's not getting at that zone at all. If I felt good about the move up, you'd see GI moving up. It's doing what? It's sitting in its zone, trying to push down further. All right. And then GJ went up, come back down. So again, that's the reason why I got out of the trade. I'll take 5 pips. It's not a loser. And then we'll sit here and we'll wait for another setup. We'll wait for another setup. Man, this week sucks. Market just looks like a bunch of trash right now. Bitcoin pushing up. Therefore, everything else pushing up. That was a good setup. Again, Bitcoin is the grandfather, the daddy of crypto. I like to trade other cryptos in line with Bitcoin. So I didn't enter into this Ripple trade with the setup here because even though it's set up and looks properly, looks good here, Bitcoin arrow moving average is above the 200 and it's trending up. So that's why I didn't take that sell on Ripple, even though Ripple had a great information that was leaning off the 200, closed below the neckline, everything was there. All right, because Bitcoin is going to lead the way. Where Bitcoin goes, the rest go. Therefore, that's where I go. Let's see if GU can push all the way back up. See if I'm wrong. See if we got any questions here. Ten pip and dip. Yes, ma'am, Lexi. 10 pip and dip. Guys, the purple moving average, the 200 moving average I have on here, you have to add it. It's not an update. You have to add it. You have to add it. Come on, guys. Watch strategy video number 9. It shows you exactly how to add the arrow moving average. I also show it on every call. Some of you guys asking this, asking about it. You guys have been on this call before. To add it, you want to select underneath charts. You have this gold folder, gold star. It says navigator. All right. Come over here. You have indicators. You want to open that up. You want to come to trend. Hit the plus sign. Moving average. Double click the moving average. All right. Under parameters, you want to type in 200. Shift 0. MA method exponential. Apply to close, whatever color you want to select. I made mine a little bit fatter. Go ahead, take a screenshot of this, a picture, whatever you want to take, so that you have it. After that, you hit OK. And that gives you a 200 moving average. Guys, the market maker EA, I like to give you guys some insights of what's coming or what looks good, things of that nature. It is not ready. All right? It is not ready. So I won't have any answers for you guys. All right? As far as qualified for the giveaway bonus, Calvin said he's going to come up with some creative ways. So be ready to hear those. All right? Great question. Someone asked, do I check for the market maker cycle every day or once a week? I'm looking for it every day. All right. I look at it every day to see where we're at in the cycle. So I'm looking at it every day. I get ready to get on the charts. Someone says UJ looks good. Let's go take a look at UJ. UJ's in a downtrend. All right, it's got to close underneath that 200 moving average and give me a down arrow for me. If I get a second down arrow, we might take a look at it. No entry yet for me though. Not on you, Jay. It's just sitting at the 200. No entry for me. Down goes GU. Down goes GU. Someone wants me to take a look at EU. I'll take a look at EU, but you guys already know we ain't taking no EU trades on this call. Never, ever, ever, ever again. Oh, EU. EU. No entry yet for me. I'll be waiting for a bag entry. That's about it. That's about it. You get a bag entry. That is what I'll be waiting for. I'll be waiting for my arrow at this point. Be waiting for the arrow. Already had the bounce. Just waiting for the arrow. Man, all the good stuff is moving slow tonight. Just moving like molasses. Someone asked, how do you delete the fibs? All right, so if you draw the fibs, all right, it's the same way as getting rid of a vertical or horizontal line. You want to double click. You see right here where this horizontal line is. Double click it where it touches one of the yellow lines or whatever color you have it until you see the 3 dots. When you see the 3 dots, then you want to right click on one of the dots and hit delete. All right, that is how you delete the fibs. The exact same way you delete the lines. Double click until you get the 3 dots, then hit delete. Is there a way to add the time left to each candle? No, there is not. It's already on there. It's on the dashboard. I don't know why you guys need that. You just watch the clock. I can look at the clock and tell that I got 10 minutes until the next 15-minute candle, because that's the time frame I trade on. I've got 5 minutes until the next 5-minute candle. But here on the dashboard, you can see under each time frame is the countdown timer. So somebody please send me a reason why the countdown timer is that important. So many people ask about it. I don't know why. Like, it doesn't do anything for your trading at all. It doesn't do anything for your trading. Difference between 200 moving average and the other line. They're different numbers. The arrow moving average is the different moving average than the 200. A moving average is nothing more than the average of the last X amount of candles. So the 200 moving average is the average price of the last 200 candles. All right. So you have some that are 10 candle moving average, 20, 50, 100, 200, 500, 800, 1,000. All moving averages are just the average price, close price, depending on how you set the settings, of the last X amount of candles, depending on what you have your settings at. All right. Someone asked, if I didn't get an arrow on the same time frame as you did, is there an issue with the software on my end? No, it's called different brokers. The arrows, the trend colored candles, The zones, they only pop up based off of price. If price goes far enough in one direction, you get an arrow. If it doesn't, depending on your broker, you won't get an arrow. All right, so it's all depending on the broker you have. Different broker means different results. All right, you may not get an arrow, you may not get a zone. You might get it before me, you might get it after me. You might have a zone, I might not have a zone, and vice versa. Always dependent on price. All right. Last question here in the Q&A is, how do you identify such market maker movements? So the market maker strategy is strategy video number 9. Please go and watch it. Please go and watch it. Market's slow here, so I'll go through it a little bit, but make sure you go and watch it. All right. Make sure you go and watch the video. Look at the G pairs dropping like a rock. GJ, GU. Let GJ break this zone. Yeah, G pairs are going down today. We going down. We're gonna catch GJ. I'm calling it right now. We gonna catch GJ for 20. A 20 twin. All right, so let me try to find a clear and concise setup with the market maker. All right, and then we'll just walk through it. All right, so the market maker strategy. First of all, market makers are who create the bid and the ask. This red line is white line. The red line here is the ask. So if I hit buy, it will automatically put a buy exactly where this red line is at, because you always buy at the ask. If I hit sell, it's going to put it at the white line here. That's the bid. You always sell at the bid. The difference between the two, the gap, is called the spread. All right. Now, market makers they do two things. They create the bid and ask. So if they create the bid and ask higher, it moves overall price higher. If they create it lower, it moves price lower. All right. They create that based off of matching orders together. For every buy, there has to be a sell. We all just went in on a buy on GU, which means what? It means that there are other people on the other side trading in a sell. All right. The market makers move price up and down to levels of liquidity because their job is to make money. Now, their job is to make money, and to make money, they have to do a couple of things. They have to UK 100 for the sales. Take a look at here. Negative, ghostwriter. Negative. So they got to do a couple of things, as market makers to make money. One, they've got to move the markets, put together orders, all right, match orders together, all right, and then they have to, what's the word I want to say? They have to move the market in such a way as to not be as obvious, so that retail traders like us don't pick up on the signals and we become more and more accurate. Their goal is to make sure that we lose, because again, for every loser, there has to be a winner. For somebody that's selling, somebody's buying. For somebody that's cashing out, somebody lost money. All right, that's just how the game goes. So they move the markets in such a way that sometimes can confuse regular, retail traders. One such pattern that they use typically is WVVM for a market maker up cycle, MAAW for a downward cycle. So what do I mean? It means here's a W formation. And typically market makers move the market in their cycle, for 3 to 5 days. All right, 3 to 5 days. 3 to 5 days and 3 times the ADR. So what is the ADR? ADR stands for average daily range. It's the average number of pips that price moves on a given day basis based on the parameters. So on the dashboard, the parameter we set is 10 days. 10 days. Therefore, over the last 2 weeks, tells you what? Tells you what the average daily range is for the last 2 days, 10 days, or 2 weeks, 2 trading days. And it's rolling, so it's always changing. All right. Here is what it looks like. And when you can start identifying, this is what I'm looking for. This is what I go to identify is the market maker cycle to see where we are at in the cycle. You know, if I can identify it, great. It helps me out. If I can't, then great. I just know that I'm going to be more cautious with that pair. All right, you see this? So an uptrend starts off with a W into a V, and then ends with an M. 3 to 5 day push. There could be more than one V. All right. And then the downward cycle is an M, A into the W. 3 to 5 day push. All right. If the overall trend is up, then you'll see that your market maker cycle up will be longer, 3 to 5 days. You'll see that you'll see that the retrace or the market maker cycle trend down will typically be a day and a half to 2 days. It'll be shorter. All right. And then vice versa. If the trend is down, you'll see that the upward cycle is smaller and the downward cycle is longer. All right. So now that we got this out of the way, let's take a look at the charts. Now I'm going to identify the market maker cycle for you. It's never going to be perfect. Now, what I mean by perfect, it's never going to look the same every time. It's never going to be as blatant. I want to show one that's real clean and easy to see. But I'm telling you, they're not always going to be clean and easy to see. If they were, it'd make it too easy for us retail traders to see it so that we could understand how to trade it. You see here, this one had multiple V's on it. Multiple V's into the what? Into the M. All right. And you can see that the M, you know, WVVM, the M, day 1, day 2, and the M ended on day 3, or the day changed. All right. So this is it. If you can identify the trend, great. So with this here, I'll identify the W. The trend is starting to head up. I'm not even going to go over strategy number 9. Make sure to go over strategy number 9. 2-part video that walks you more through this and gives you more detail. All right. But you can see here, got the W, the V, another V, and an M. Now, how do I trade this? All right. If you can identify, you know where you're at, and you get this break of the W, and you know, oh, at the beginning of the trend, you can get this trade, and you can hold this bad boy. You know, your stop loss is below that there, the lowest part of the W, and you can ride this bad boy up. Easy money. All right. 50, 100, however many pips you can get out of it, you think it's fair. All right. You'll know when to get out. You'll start to see the M start to form. All right. Or if you miss the the W, then guess what? Catch a V. Here's a V. Wait for price to break out of the V. Boom. Broke out of the V here. Broke above that V. Take that. Take it on up. Same thing here. Broke above the V. Take it on up. Broke above the V. Take it on up. I would typically only trade the W and the first V. Maybe a second, depending on how we're trending. But that's about as far as I go because they can come quick from a standpoint of the actual M. And you can see here, once we got into the money zone last night or yesterday, we were just going straight up. There was no way to get into the trade. All right. So there's multiple ways, and as you get better at identifying this and trading this, you get better at seeing it. You get better at understanding when to get in, when not to get in. You get better at understanding what direction, even though the overall direction is up, you may be looking to take a sale because you see that the market maker cycle, current cycle, is a downtrend. That's all that matters. AIRO tells you based on the zones, if there's more green zones and red zones, the overall trend is up. However, the market maker cycle You guys know, price never goes straight up. It's up, down, up, down, up, down. There has to be some level of retrace. Up, down, up, down. All right. Now I don't look at the euros much. I missed this last night. It's a beautiful setup. But that's the market maker. So that's what I look for. I look to see where we are at in the trend. So if we go back here and look at GU, look at GU trying to head back up. We look at GU, you can see that all right. Oh, you got a W here. All right. A V here, another V there, into the M. All right. Short. It's only 2 days. Only 2 days. And you can see it's been trending down ever since. All right. Kind of went sideways for a while, didn't really make any true trend. Boom, there's the M. First A, second A, down into the W. Another reason why I felt comfortable taking the buy was because, I saw that W, like I talked about at the very beginning, the W. So market maker cycle, the wedge, bag entry, breaker 80 session. All right. See what happens. GR now wants to move up. Oh, like we trying to get some movement now. Got to be more careful. Got to be more careful. We are back at entry. Do we re-enter or nah? What do you think? What do you guys think? We're back at the bag entry. What you guys think? Oh no, actually we're actually above it. So no, we don't enter here. Yeah, we're above it by about 4 pips. Market's starting to come alive again. I like it. Like to see that. Like to see that. Still don't like this though. I still don't like this area. Still don't like it. Doge for the buy. Negative. Look at GU pushing the little engine that could. Somebody stayed in there. Who stayed in that GU trade? Who stayed in that GU trade? Somebody said UJ. Let's go back and look at UJ. I don't know if I closed that one. We close UJ or it's still open? UJ. UJ pushing down. Let's see what happens in here in about 8 minutes with the next candle. Go to the 5 minute. Take a look. Second bag entry on UJ. Let's go back to the chart real quick. Take a look. UJ pushing. Whoever's in UJ, congrats. You should be up about 5, 6 pips right now. Yeah. UK 100 pushing down. We are 9 minutes past New York or London session. So New London session just opened. So now the London session volume is in. What's gold doing? Can we get a move with gold? What are we doing with gold? G Chef moving down. G Cat moving back down. GN chilling. GR trying to move back down. GU rejecting that same area. Look at that, almost the exact same identical wicks. So went up about 9, almost 10 pips again. GER 30 for the sale. German 30 for the sale. We are what? We are in a downtrend. And GJ trying to push down. They break that zone, close below this, but below the zone, the second blue line. I can tell you right now, I'm in that bad boy. We in it for a nice sale. 29, almost 30 pips to the zone. Okay. Yep. I like that. I like that. German 30. What you doing, babe? What you doing? What you doing? What you trying to do? You see Japan 225 pushing down big time. You see UK 100 pushing down big time. Only one that I haven't done is German 30. We got the bag entry on it. I am tempted to sell this thing. I am tempted to hit the sell button and take it down to the 200 moving average. 180 pips. I'm tempted to do it. You see SPX is trending down. UK 100. Let's zoom in on that one. Trying to bounce back up, but it's trending down. Japan 225, trending down. Trying to bounce up, but it's trending down. German 30. Keep an eye out. GJ bounce back up. GU back at the zone. G pair still trying to fall though. Market playing around, just it's at the London session open, so we'll see how it plays. We'll see how it plays. On the fibs with gold, we are sitting at the 38. So we'll see what kind of reaction we get here at the 38 fib level plus the 200. See the 200 and the 38 fib level. If we get a bullish engulfing Canada, it might be a good buy. Take it back to the zero line. We'll see how that plays out though. We'll see how that plays out right here. German 30 trying to push. It's trying to push. UK 100 dropping back down. So Japan 225. Man, I am really tempted to put a sale in right here. I am really tempted to put a sale in. If we take a trade on German 30, it is an indice. It is like US 30. So make sure you practice proper risk management and use the proper lot size. Last candle was a bag entry. You can see here the UK 100 is moving down. Japan 225 is trying to move down. If we would have got in on the bag entry, USD MXN for the sell. I ain't messing with it. Hold on, USD MXN for the sell. Did it break the zone? Trying to. We'll see what happens there. So Japan 225 trying to push down. UK 100 trying to push down. German 30, only one not. I always follow the German 30 though. German 30 is the leader in London session. I'm not going to touch it. We'll leave it alone for now. Doge moving up. Ripple moving up. Bitcoin moving up. Let's go look at that UJ. UJ, little pullback on UJ. Little pullback. Oh, look at that. Bullish engulfing candle off the 38 and the 200. Keep an eye on that one. Keep an eye on that one. For gold, we'll keep an eye on that. It just reversed on us. That's not good. Market just slow as molasses right now. Slow as molasses. Okay, GU. Okay, GU. Trying to do something strange for a piece of change. All right, let's go take some more questions here. Yeah, GR was trying to make a third information out the GR 30, but it's all over the place right now. USD CHF sale on the 15-minute. Let's go take a look. We got USD CHF for the sale. USD CHF. All right, got a bag entry, but the overall trend is up. All right. USD CHF overall trend is up. Got a bag entry. I like the setup except for one thing, and that's the arrow moving average is above the 200. Arrow moving average is above the 200, but German 30 for the buy. Take a look at that real quick. In the zone, not touching it. All right, USD JPY pushing down. So I'm gonna go ahead and enter the bag entry here on USD CHF. Bag entry on USD CHF. Gonna enter that for the sale. All right. TP at 20 pips. All right, so we're in that USD CHF. All right, it's following, of course, USD JPY. They're both trending down. That's a good sign. The setup is there. Let's go back and look. No, negative. USD MXN. And there goes GER 30. Now it wants to try to fall. or not. That's why you don't play with those indices. You got to be precise because they can be a little cuckoo. USD CHF heading down, GBP CHF heading down. I like. GCAD, GN, GOD, G pair is pushing down. GU is sitting right there at that same spot it was at last time we looked at it. GJ moving sideways. All right, stop sharing, and we will see here. Q&A. All right, Q&A is all answered. Let me hook up my laptop before it dies on you guys. Boom, there we go. All right. Q&A. All right, a lot of questions about the dashboard. All right, if you are paying for an AIRO subscription, you have access to the dashboard. All right, you have access to the dashboard. If you're not paying for a subscription and you're on this call without being a member of Auvoria Prime, you can't get it. You have to pay for a subscription to get it. To find it with a subscription, once you log into your VPS, all right, you want to come here to underneath charts, this gold folder with the gold star, the navigator, hit that. And instead of going to indicators, you want to come down to expert advisors and you'll see it. It'll be the AIRO dashboard will be here. All right. There is a video in the back office that shows you what? Shows you how to set up the dashboard. Also, you can go to Auvoria Prime's YouTube channel and watch my Sunday night calls, which Sunday night at 9 p.m. Central Standard Time is when I do all my setups, for AIRO, showing how to use AIRO, the dashboard, going through all the entire setup. So make sure you join that call as well, or go watch the recordings, to get all the information you need to. USD CHF, where we are positive 2 pips. Positive 2 pips. We're in on the bag entry. Look like crypto trying to bust through to the upper room. The upper room. Trying to get that rebound. Japan 225 trying to push up. UK 100 bounce. And there goes German 30. It doesn't know what it wants to do right now. Look at that. Wick on every side. That is pure manipulation. That's the market, boy. I wouldn't say manipulation. That's the market maker right there saying, gotcha. You thought it was going to be a breakout, but it's not. Prices move sideways. There's no real trend. I don't really see a setup. Got a fractal. If this one closes here, no, that won't even be a fractal high. I don't know what's going on with GER 30 right now. So we'll just keep looking. We'll wait for a setup. Up 1 pip in USD CHF. Market is, even at London session, we just slow right now. We are 34 minutes away. In 34 minutes, you guys know at 3 a.m. Central, we'll do a call. We'll do a break. All right, we'll do a break at 3 a.m. All right, plus 3 pips on USD CHF. GBP CHF pushing down even more. I like to see that. Good correlation there. GCAD, G pair is pushing down, pushing down. GU pushing up. GJ trying to push up. So another reason I took GU, if you guys have never noticed, when all the other pairs from a correlation standpoint were going in the opposite direction or not meeting the criteria, GU has always been flying. It's just been flying and flying and flying. So that's another reason why, you know, from a conscious mindset, I thought we jumped in that trade in the beginning, but again, it's coming into the zone. And the zone is created by what? This wick, where there are orders, or was orders. USD CHF plus 6 pips. Plus 6 on USD CHF. Hey, shout out to Looney, Trey, Frank for all shouting out USD CHF. That's one thing we forgot too, guys. Let's go take a look at it. The strength meter. We haven't been using the strength meter. Somebody, I don't even have a link no more. Somebody send me the link again for the strength meter. So start pulling that back up. Triple top on GER 30. I think it's going to head down when it stops consolidating. Good. I want some pips. Why do indices move so fast than Forex pairs? It's a good question. Indices move a lot faster because they're a combination of the economy for whatever country you're in. So it's the stocks for that. You know, I saw an index pair is, you know, if you want to start from the beginning, an index pair is a actual stock. I'm sorry, it's a collection of stocks. USD CHF we're down 3, we're up 3 pips. And so the indexes are a collection of stocks. And so when the economy's down or up, all those stocks are moving up or down, therefore driving the price. And it's also just based on how price is calculated on the combination of all those stocks that dictates price, all right, and the pips and all that. So that is kind of why indices move a little faster. Are points the same thing as pips? No. So points, so for example, if I have 100 points, that's the same thing as 10 pips. So points are 10 times more than a pip. 1 pip is 10 points. All right, keep that in mind. How to register for the Sunday call. So every day in the AIRO bag chat, in the AIRO announcements chat, you will receive a notification when the call is happening. Also, and I'll show you in the back office here. Again, for all members that are paying for AIRO, if you come here, all right, let's go to, hold on guys, let me try to get this set up here. Let me close that. So on the website here, over here on the left-hand side, to get this, you get these three lines here. All right, pull up the menu. You want to come down to news and events and go to events calendar. On the events calendar, you have the schedule for the entire week, every week. It shows all the AIRO live trade sessions as well as the Sunday setup call. Sunday, 10 p.m. Eastern, which is 9 p.m. my time Central, AIRO Developer Insights. Every Sunday, you see, every Sunday. All right. USD CHF, we are up 75 pips. I'm just playing. We're up 3 pips. We're up 3 pips. Not bad, not bad. Let's take a look at the charts real quick, and then I will pull up the currency strength meter here in a second. So we're up 4 pips. USD CHF heading down. I might look to take profit right here at this 200 moving average. That's 11 pips. I may take profit here. We'll see. Up 5 pips right now. Let's go survey the line. USDJPY heading back down. Good, good, good. Doge trying to head back up. For all you guys hodling on Doge, good luck. Have diamond hands, because, man, you're going to need it for Doge. You're going to need it. Yep, everything moving up. You see that UK 100 moving up, Japan 225 moving up. Keep an eye out. SPX 500 inside the zone still. There's gold. There's gold. GU trying to break through for those who still in it. TP'd at 5 pips. Probably should have got out of 10, but it's all good. GU trying to push through the zone right about where it was at. It pushed a little higher. GU has gone as high as 12 pips. All right. Come on, USDCHF. Give us a drop. Give us the drop we need. We need at 20 pips. Can we get 20 pips? Can I get a 20, 20, 20, 20? Can I get a 20? Can I get a 20, 20, 20, twin? ERUSD, negative Ghost Rider. We'll look at it, but I don't touch EURUSD on this call. We'll look at it once again. I don't know why you guys like looking at this pair. Trash. Nothing. Negative. I'm waiting for AIRO at least. Need AIRO, no AIRO. I'm waiting for AIRO at least to get to this trade. All right, but that's Euro USD. It probably won't give you one until the New York session. Plus 6 pips. Touch that 200 plus 11 plus 10. What's it gonna do? What's it gonna do? Bad boys. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when I come for you? Bad boys. Hey, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when we come for you? Man, I want to take profit here. I don't know about you guys. I want to take some profit too. I want to take some profito. I'm out, guys. Eyes out. Eyes out. 2 reasons I'm out. Number one, the 200 is like a natural level of support and resistance. All right. The AIRO moving average is already above the 200. All right. Significantly, which can identify a change in direction. Again, like the 200, again, like I said, the 200 is a level of support and resistance. USDCHF is a New York session pair. So I'm out. There's a New York session pair. But we out. Out with 11 pips. I'll take that. Out with 11 pips. Is the German 30 ready to come down? I am liking gold. Anybody see this W formation off the 50? Off the 50, close above the neckline. I am buying gold. We are buying gold. Buying gold. I am buying gold. We are buying gold. I am buying gold and looking at, I don't like that zone there, so definitely not going to take it back to the zero line, but we're going to take it just right below. Put it right there. Just right below the zone at the top of that peak there. All right. On the fib level, I would go back to the zero line, but the zero line that's my first level of take profit, but it's in the zone. All right. No guarantees price is going to go through the zone. All right. The zones are there for a reason, for levels of support resistance where price bounces off and typically turns around. So I'm going to put it a few pips in front of the zone and let you take profit at that level right there. So this is a strategy number 8 trade. All right. Took it from the lowest point of the retrace to the current, the lowest point of retrace, previous retrace. And again, what I call retraces, you guys can see here, we are in a uptrend on gold, all right? XRP for the buy, okay. We're in an uptrend on gold, all right? So we're in an uptrend. So the lowest, when I call retraces, when price is below the moving average and it's red, that's retrace. It's going the opposite direction of the overall trend, all right? So this is the lowest point before what? Before price ran back up. This is the lowest point of the current of the previous retrace. This is the highest point before we had what? The current retrace. So we're currently in a retrace. The retracement came down here. We got a W formation off the 200, off the 50. All right, very bullish signs for me. All right, I enter in here, and I'm taking the trade. I would take it back up to the zero line, but the zero is inside of the actual zone. So I'll put it a few pips in front of the zone. All right, so that's what I'm looking at right there. If you're trading gold, make sure to use proper risk management. Gold is like an indice. It moves. It's a mover. It is a mover. All right. All right, go. Don't do us wrong. Go. Don't do us wrong. Look at GER 30. But we got that sale up there. Congrats to you. If you stayed in GU, you may be rewarded with 20 pips. G Chef down. G Chef down hard. Let's go look at U Chef. Who's still in U Chef? 20 pips hit. If you stayed in U Chef, TP was smashed. It dropped 22 pips. So if you stayed in U Chef, TP hit. UJ not moving. All right, go. Let's go. Come on, give us our pips. I think right now I got my take profit around 25 pips. 25 pips, which I like. Typically during New York session, which gold is traded the most, it has its most volatility, I go for 50 pips on gold when I take positions. I'm looking for 25 when it's out of session. Out of session, I look for 25 pips. Congrats on the U Chef holders. Congrats on the GU holders. TP hit U Chef. Caught it. Shanky, my first bag used on the chef. Hit TP. Congrats, Shanky. Congrats. I like the name, man. How to register your Sunday call. So yeah, we already went over that. 21 pips on U Chef. Congrats. 60 pips collected on U Chef. Nice. Sound like somebody double dipped, triple dipped. Drink of the night. Drink of the night is same as I had last night. Hold on, guys. We got GER 34 sale, but I got Hawaiian Punch for the night. All right, let's go look at the charts. GER 30 for the sale. Gold heading back the right way. GER 30 for the sale. Bag entry at the zone. The overall trend is down. I don't like it because it's in the zone still. No zone, we enter. We can catch an easy 50 plus pips to the next zone. All right. Another reason why you don't over leverage, because if you see more than one opportunity for a trade, let's say you want to get into 4 different trades at the same time that you all see, maybe you're still in other trades. If you don't over leverage, it allows you to be able to enter into other trades. Also, if you don't over leverage, it allows you to put in a couple entries on one trade, if you want to. All right. So not over trading allows you to be able to compound your trades by adding additional entries. If if you know how to stack like that, or it allows you to you'll be able to enter in on different setups on different pairs. Come on, gold. Quit playing with us. I need to see plus 10. Let's go, gold. Let's go, gold. All right, down 13 on gold. AUDNZD, which is definitely not New York. I mean, London Central Pair. AUDNZD. We'll go take a look at it though. I don't trade this pair really at all. Bag entry, but it's in no trend. So when you have 3 red, 3 green, you have even. You can trade in both directions, bag entries, if you have 50 pips room in between each zone. Only 21 pips there. So invalid trade. I would enter in this trade. All right. GR30. We got 2 minutes. What's this thing gonna do? Bunch some more questions here. 12 minutes to the top of the hour, and then we'll take a quick little break. Can I still explain the story behind me and EU? Easy. Every time we trade EU, we lose. Simple as that. Also, I've got a bot that works on EU, and I've told a story about broker manipulation, which is why I only use A book brokers. But there was a B book broker that literally caused me to lose a significant sum of money, and it was trading on EU. So a lot of reasons why I don't like EU. Lots of reasons. Lots of reasons. All right, my man just stated he hasn't lost any bag entries this month. Only lost one 8 breakout so far. That's phenomenal. That should just go as a testament to show people that bag entries, they work. Some people say they don't work. If you trade them correctly on the right pairs and during the right sessions, you will see that you have a success. All right, gold just chilling. We're down about 14 pips right now, just chilling. My TP for gold is 25 pips. I cannot give you exact TP because that is would be considered financial advice. All right, CHFJPY. We didn't look at it, so we can pull it up, but CHFJPY bag entry on the 15 minutes. M15 here. Down 20 on gold. Oh man, gold's starting to frustrate me now. Come on, gold. You're taking away pips. Taking away pips. So before we enter in another CHF pair in the opposite direction, all right, let's go take a look at the trend strength meter. We'll take a look at this here. It looks pretty decent. W formation here. GER 30 melting. Is that what we're seeing? Let's go jump back on the charts. We mentioned GER 30. Broke one zone. Came down to the other zone. All right, bouncing back up. All right, not doing much of nothing. Come on, gold. Do your thing, gold. All right, got the currency strength meter up real quick. We'll look at that. Go back to only down 15 pips now. Look at the currency strength meter. So CHF JPY in a buy. So you see here, CHF is high, JPY is somewhat high. So it's kind of the reason why there's no real trend. If they're both high, they're kind of just going to sit still for a while. What you want to see is, since we're looking to trade CHF JPY, we want CHF to go up. Since CHF is the base pair, we want CHF to be stronger significantly than JPY. If JPY looked like USD, then yes, we'd be good. We should be flying. That's why you see here USD is low, CHF is strong. That's why the USD CHF dropped like a rock. All right. Let's jump back on it. All right. CHF JPY trying to push. I like the entry. I like it. Only thing I'd like to see better is if the AIRO moving average was above it. But I like it. Let's go ahead and enter a buy on CHF JPY. CHF JP WizEye. All right, down 13 on gold, and we are at break even on CHF JPY. All right, so we'll sit back on those. Let's go back and look at GER 30. GER 30, no entry, just chilling. Down 10 on gold, down 1 on CHF JPY. Those trying to come down. Okay, a little crypto trying to come down a little bit. USD MXN finally trying to break that zone. Euro's just moving sideways. G-Chef dropping like a rock. GU trying to get up there. Trying to get up there. Come on, GJ. Give me that drop, GJ. Give me that drop, GJ, so we getting that sale. We are at break even on, well, up 1 pip on CHF JPY, down 10 on gold. So gold starting to move back the right way. Cool, cool, cool. All right, stop sharing here and take a look at the Q&A. So great question was asked, can the market maker see your orders, your entries, your stop loss, your take profits on live or demo or both? And so the answer is only on live. They don't care about demo. They're only trading the real markets. So they only can see it on live, all right? Right now we're down 9 pips on gold. We're up 4 pips on CHF JPY. Shout out to y'all throwing out these CHF trades. USD JPY bearish engulfing candle. Let's go take a look at it. All right, down 6 pips on gold, up 4 on CHF JPY. USD JPY bearish engulfing. Do I even still have it up? There it is. USD JPY. Yes, this candle right here would be a bearish engulfing. That is correct. That is correct. CHF JPY. And a nice little moving up. Gold was at 6 pips down. Come on, gold. Give us a break, gold. Give us a break, gold. Let's go. All right. Well, that's the top of the hour, guys. Gonna come back here in about 15 minutes. If I see anything happen while I'm away, I would definitely jump back on. Use this time to use the restroom, whatever. Get something to drink, something to eat. I'm gonna sit here and answer some questions for everybody. We're down 11 pips on gold, 10 on gold, 8 on gold now, 1 on CHF JPY. All right, so we'll be back in 15 minutes. All right. Yo, I'm back a couple minutes early. Jump on the charts here. As you can see here, gold booming. Gold booming. Up 6 pips. Up, what was it, a little more? Up 6 on gold, down 4 on CHF JPY. I don't know what's up with CHF JPY. Actually, I do know. We talked about the CHF is stronger than JPY, but by 1 bar, so it's not very strong, much stronger. So, all right. And gold is playing with us, up 4 pips on gold now. Let's look at the GER 30. Let's look at GER 30. GER, nope, it ain't coming down. Go up 3. All right, up 3. Looking for that magical 2025 number range right there. All right, like we're probably gonna be holding these after the call. All right, looking at the news here. Looking at the news here, we've got green folder Euro news in 25 minutes. More green folder Euro news in 45 minutes. And in 49 minutes, we have yellow folder Great Britain pound news. All right. And then we have red folder Euro news in 3 hours and 44 minutes. All right. So that's far off if you're going to be up trading during New York session. So hey, gold plus 10 pips, plus 10 on gold. Gold looking Gucci. Gold's looking Gucci. All right. CHFJPY is playing with our emotions right now, but hey, it's all good. It's all good in the neighborhood. All right. Plus 11 on that gold piece. Let's go. Gold, give me that 25 pips. 75% of 25 is going to be about 19 pips. So about 18, 19 pips is when I'll put my stop loss in profit and lock in a free trade on gold. All right. All right. Ooh. Plus 12 on gold moving. Gold moving. Let's go, gold. Plus 10 on gold, minus 6 on CHFJPY. CFJPY may be a little bit longer of a hold. We may see some better movement in the New York session, but it's we're in an uptrend, bag entry. We're above the 200. I like to move. Plus 10 on gold. All right, gold. Let's go gold. Plus 11. Let's go. Give us that 25, gold. Give us that 25 so we can go home happy. Let's see if there's any more questions. I answered all the questions. All right, the chat's blowing up here. Up 26 on gold, 2 positions. Congrats. That new music is going to make people miss your music. Hey, the new music, old music, doesn't matter to me as long as there's a little bit of music. I like the new music. Late at night, I need something to wake me up, get me pumped up. So I like this a little better. All right. Let's go back and look at the charts. Let's go back and look at the charts here. Gold pushing plus 12, now minus plus 11. USD only down 6. All right. Come on, let's get some more movement. Come on, gold. Get that push. Gold stalling. If you look left, look, this area, every time I got to that area, it rejected it till it finally busted through. But that's where we're stalling at right now. Just stalling right there. We on our way. We on our way. Gold's been in a strong uptrend over the last month and a half. Strong uptrend. Come on, gold. Give us push. We need that push. See, Jeff JPY making me mad right now. Come on, JPY. Plus 5 on gold, minus 8 on CHFJPY. Trade will probably going to be holding until after the call. All right. Somebody said, Daniel Hill said the fifth. Daniela said the fifth simply Beethoven will wake me up. I don't know how. Well, Beethoven has some dope music, so especially if you know how to play it. All right. So gold's coming down. We're up 5 pips on gold, down 9 on CHFJPY. All right. Got 196 people on the call. No more Q&A, I see. And yeah, that's a go. I mean, hey, I'm gonna go ahead and shut it down early, guys. I'm gonna try to get up and do New York session for you guys. So I'm gonna try to get some couple hours of sleep so I can get up and do New York session for you guys. May get up, may end up doing it an hour early, an hour later. I gotta look at the schedule. It's usually 8 to 11 Eastern, which is 9 to 12 Eastern, which is 8 to 11 my time. See, I might end up trying to get on around 9 o'clock. We'll see. But I'm gonna try. So I'm gonna try to get some sleep now so I can get up for New York. But hey, I see gold is back down to 1 pip in profit, and we are still down 8 pips on CHF JPY. If you're gonna trade after the London session, as we get off this call, make sure you trade responsibly. Remember the news is coming. Hopefully I get up and I see you guys in New York session. But if I don't, make sure to trade responsibly, and I'll see you guys in the funding papers.